Hi everyone. Today I have Gary's QuadraFire 800 pellet stove controller on my bench. Gary sent me this one because the combustion fan, the light bulb that's on right now, it was on all the time. So I've set a 12-minute timer after making some repairs. I've set a 12-minute timer on Google. Google, how much time is left on the timer? Okay, Google, how much time on the timer?
T-minus 3 minutes and 27 seconds.
So it's about 3.5 minutes till the 12-minute mark since I've turned on the controller. So at some point here, after the repairs, I anticipate that the combustion fan will get shut off by the controller. I'm not calling for any heat right now. My heat call is not on, and basically I'm at room temperature with my thermocouple, so I'm reading at about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So anytime now, usually it's less than 12 minutes. I think this one I timed it earlier after fixing it, that it was a little over 10 minutes. So anytime now we should be having the controller shut off that light on us, and that'll show that that function is working correctly. Okay, Google, how much time left on the timer?
2 minutes and 34 seconds to go.
So I hate to have some dead time here, but on Gary's controller here, I replaced quite a few items actually. I replaced one multiplexer chip, one the analog input chip, because the red indicator would not come on. And I replaced both of the indicator lights because they were so faint it was very hard to see them. And I replaced the filter capacitor. I'll note something. I added a piece of tape onto the controller here. So the green light, I've tested it. It comes on at 357 degrees Fahrenheit, and the red light comes on at 1138 degrees Fahrenheit. So those are indicators of the different temperature set points in the controller of when certain things should happen. Okay, Google, how much time left on the timer?
T-minus 1 minute and 38 seconds.
All right, so we should be getting there anytime now. I keep saying that, of course. Let's wait it out. It's actually been 2.5 minutes since this video has started, so it's been quite a long video already. There it is. Okay, Google, what time on the timer?
T-minus 1 minute and 10 seconds.
All right, so basically that was 10 minutes and 45 seconds, if we can approximate it, that the controller turned off the combustion fan. So now we've been in our 10-minute cycle, the controller's on, we're at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. If I go ahead and call for temperature, I should see the igniter and the auger come on. So let's go ahead and do that. Of course, the combustion fan will come on as well. And there it is, all three of them came on. On my test fixture, and all QuadraFire stoves, the room convection fan does not come on through control by the controller. It comes on through the thermostatic switch, so that's why in this case it's not on, because I don't test that on my controller, but on my tester. But in any case, the combustion fan will come on if your switch is correct in your furnace itself. So here we are. We're calling for heat. Okay, Google, thank you. We're calling for heat. We're at 60 degrees room temperature. I'm slowly going to increase that. And what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to turn this around so we can see the colored lights come on at certain points. And at the same time, we'll watch for the lights. So as I slowly ramp up the temperature, we should see the green light come on. There it is. There's a green light. I'll turn it off. There it is. And if I look at my temperature indicator, I'm at 361 right now, which is fairly close to what I wrote on the note of 357. So I've got the green light on. I'm going to keep on cranking it. And as I crank and the red light comes on, we should see the igniter go off. I'm at 800 degrees right now, 900. There it is, 1300 degrees, and 1138, I'm sorry. And the red light came on, so we can see it here, the red, the green, and in the background we saw the igniter go off. So if I were to stop calling for heat, my pellet stops, call for heat, off, on, off. As long as I'm in the red here, the igniter will not come back on. So, Gary, by the looks of it, everything is functioning correctly with your controller now. There's a little bag of parts I'll try to include with the kit as I send it back to you. Those are all the items I removed. There we are, 1160 degrees, which is fairly close to what I said. I'll turn that down and shut that off. Gary, I want to thank you for sending me your controller. Be sure to let me know if you have any issues with it when it's back in your furnace. And thanks for sending it. I appreciate it very much. Bye-bye, everyone.